In this video, I will show you how to create a website with Gamma AI using a simple no-coding tutorial. I start on my dashboard and click Create New AI to get started. From the creation options, I select Import File or URL so I can transform an existing document into a full web page. I click Upload a File, browse my computer, and choose a PDF titled The 3 Pillars of 2026 AI. Once the file is uploaded, I select the web page option as my desired format and hit Continue. In the prompt editor, I have several ways to refine how the AI handles my content. I'll keep the text condensed but set the detail level to detailed to make sure all the key points from my PDF are captured. Next, I scroll through the visual themes to find the right look. I'll go with the blues theme for a clean, professional aesthetic. I'll keep the layout set to freeform and then click the Generate button. Now, I just watch as Gamma AI does the heavy lifting, building out the entire site structure and content in real time based on my document. It's creating sections for quantum neural networks, decentralized AI training, and ethical governance without me having to write a single line of code. Once the generation is finished and everything looks good, I click Publish in the top right corner and confirm it in the drop-down. Finally, I click View Site to see the finished product. I can scroll through the entire responsive layout, and as you can see, it's a professional website ready to go. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to create a website with Gamma AI. No coding tutorial. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.